Boom.
Petty bastard. He's pissed because he's still having sex with a
You're smarter, you're stronger, you're much better looking. He's jealous. What?
He said you liked me in the motel.
Yeah.
That was a big deal.
Yeah, well, you didn't say anything back, so...
Hello.
I've been sort of bad at this for a long time. Until you.
Ease up.
I wanted to say I love you too.
Segunda guerra.
Let's go check the trash again.
Auntie.
Celine, okay?
No. No. What are you doing?